What is an Agunah in Talmudic marriage law? Imagine being stuck in a marriage you cannot leave, even if you want to move on with your life. That is what an Agunah faces in Jewish law. An Agunah is a woman who cannot get a religious divorce, called a get. Without this get, she remains married according to Jewish law, even if she is divorced in civil courts. This situation often happens when her husband is missing, presumed dead, or refuses to give her the get. In Talmudic marriage laws, the get is essential for ending a marriage properly. It must be given freely by the husband for the divorce to be valid. If the husband disappears, such as in war or long travel, the rabbinic courts need proof of his death or absence before allowing her to remarry. If he is alive but refuses to give the get, she remains married, and she cannot remarry within Jewish law. This creates a serious problem because it can trap women in unhappy or abusive marriages. Historically, the Talmud discusses these issues by examining cases where husbands go missing or refuse to cooperate. Rabbinic authorities tried to find solutions, like relying on evidence or presuming death after a long absence. They also developed legal tools to help women, such as invalidating certain marriages or encouraging conditional gets. These measures aim to protect women from being stuck and to uphold the sanctity of marriage. Today, rabbinical courts work hard to resolve Agunah cases. They investigate the husband's status, use halakhic principles to permit remarriage when possible, and prevent abuse of the get process. Some communities even issue preemptive gets before a husband leaves for war to avoid women becoming agunot or women who are chained to their marriage. In essence, an agunah is a woman unable to remarry because she lacks a valid get. This can happen if her husband is missing, presumed dead without proof, or refuses to grant the divorce. This situation highlights how marriage and divorce are deeply rooted in Jewish religious law and tradition. It remains a significant concern, prompting ongoing efforts to find fair and compassionate solutions within the framework of Talmudic marriage laws.